Okay, so this is the Grand Lisboa right here. So we're just gonna highlight it a little bit by showing you the bus stop right in front of it.
Chiquinha, Chiquinha.
Go check out the road.
Chiquinha.
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. So yeah, that's the Grand Lisboa. Right there is a Lisboa Casino, which is in the dark at the moment. And what we're gonna do is walk into this bus stop, and we'll show you what this bus stop looks like at nighttime. But basically this is the bus depot kind of station spot where people will connect from Taipa to Macau. So you'll see lots of rows of buses everywhere, buses coming across here. You got some casinos, MGM and Wynn are over here. Those are kind of more high-end. Lisboa is maybe pretty good price, and this is a little bit higher end. And then in the back you got a bunch of lower end hotels. Bank of China's main building right there. Beautiful. FIT, Fashion Institute of Technology. Macau Tower is in the background. So let's just kind of walk into this area a little bit. We'll kind of show you the structure of the buses. So yeah, everybody's waiting for buses. They got little columns A, B, C, D. If you want to catch a bus, you can kind of see which ones go where, so you kind of have to know where you're going a little bit. And they also have these kind of tell you like what parts of Macau they go to. So you have to go in either A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H lanes. You have to go to the right lanes. Just kind of walk. If you have any questions, you just ask this guy right here in this box. These two go to the University of Macau, 71 and 73. These ones will go to Nova, Taipa, the MT5, different ones like that. Probably where we'll go. The Macau Tower's in the background. Grand Emperor Hotel, so you got another nice hotel right there. Kind of a nice apartment building here. That one's under construction. And we're gonna kind of drift a little bit towards this direction. And you can see some of the casinos from this area. So Wynn Casino, MGM Casino, Lisboa, Star World, Grand Lisboa, Bank of China, Grand Lisboa, Bank of China, FIT building, Grand Emperor Hotel. I forget the name of this one. But all the buses will come in like this. So this one is Plaza Ferreira Amaral, which is the location of this. So that one's right here. They're waiting for these people to go across. So yeah, this whole area is called Plaza Ferreira Amaral. So as they come through, they'll have that on lights if they're coming in. Porto Certo is that's the border gate. Torre de Macau, that's Macau Tower. So that bus will go towards that spot right over there, the Macau Tower right there. Okay, lots more buses coming in. Oh hey, how are you doing? Yeah, you. Okay, so we're gonna end it right there. So then on Grand Lisboa. This is 71 bus, okay. So this bus is going to the University of Macau, so they're all on their bus and ready. Okay, so end it there.
Chiquinha, Chiquinha, toma cuidado da movimento.